Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Zidanan Gamer. But today we're not Zidanan Gamer guys, we're Zidan Developer. Today we're going to make a space shooter game like this. Okay, first of all, let's open the Unity Hub app. Then we can check here for Unity Engine version. I installed the Android Windows WebGL plugin here. Okay, let's go to strike to projects menu. Wait it for loads. Once loading is finished, we can start setting it up just to the built-in render pipeline. Since we're making a 2D game, now let's rename the project name to what I should rename it into. Maybe tutorial, but sound a bit lame. Let's redo it. How about a space shooter? Oh no. Oh, maybe space shot, but I already made that. Okay, space shot game. Okay, perfect. Alright, now you just directory guys. Alright, let's go ahead and create the project. Wait until finish the loading until the games open up. After waiting few minutes, hang on, I got this part out. Okay, keeps waiting, it's taking a little while. Open pretty fast on my laptop. Alright, just hang on guys. Chew. Alright, once everything is ready, it's time to import the files we download from the asset websites for each IO. First, let's import the game asset. This might take a little time because my laptop take a bit longer to render. Alright, let's wait while it compiles all the script in the those file. Okay, waiting and loading and loading and loading and loading. Waiting, loading. Alright. Oh no. Okay, and done. Now let's place all the script in our project. Look, all the script are complete. Awesome, man. Oh, look at this. That's amazing, guys. Alright, time to get work, guys. First, let's set the display to the portrait mode. If you haven't set into portrait yet, you just need to add a new label like vertical or anything else to make sure it's portrait or vertical orientation, so easier to play on the mobile. Okay, let's go to fix it to lock in the aspect ratio. Now we can see main camera is upright, not in the landscape mode anymore. Let's add the prefab canvas. Okay, we drag the prefab. Alright, after we drag, just like that, all the images are loaded. It's in the prefab includes everything. Look, the canvas is all set up, guys. Awesome. Our main menu is ready, guys. Alright guys, next we're going to create a new scene. Okay, let's rename this scene to game scene to make it easier for us and to match what's in the script, so don't rename to anything else. Okay, we drag the game scene to the bold setting. Okay, let's check and save it first. Alright guys, it's success. The game scene is set up, guys. Alright guys, now we're going to add the canvas to our game scene. First, let's add canvas 1 to the game objects. Okay, make sure it's canvas 1, not just any canvas. Look, there is vital panels and display elements. The canvas is so. After adding canvas, let's add the background by simply dragging. Okay, makes background more appealing. Now let's add the spaceship asset. Okay, we are bring a spaceship asset information. Okay, where did I find my spaceship, man? Uh, where? Where my spaceship? Ah, that's it. Okay, now we got a spaceship. Okay, we bring animation too. Let's add the animation. Okay, uh, I'm apa ya? Okay, we name pesawat. Okay, pesawat. Alright, let's go the animation setting. Where the spaceship speed the animation. Okay, we we go to the spaceship animation and speed up the animation uh, to the 1.5. Alright, perfect. That speed up. Okay, after adjusting the spaceship animation, we'll get everything else ready for the next step, guys. Okay. Alright, guys, I almost forgot. We haven't added the event system to the game object hierarchy yet, so the buttons aren't clickable. Okay, let's add the event system to both the main menu and the game scene. To the side, the canvas integrate properly and the button is working. We're just doing the one thing. Now we save and test the button are clickable or not. Let's hit the play, check, we're loading. Alright, oh, they're working. The button is can navigate out, in and out perfectly. Alright, nice. Okay. Alright guys, next let's add some music or background audio to the menu. We have the main menu BGM. Don't forget to loop it so the music repeat consistently. Alright, let's looping. Let's play. See if the music work. Let's wait a moment. That is, guys, the sound for the game scene. Okay, we are to game scene. To same. I use different BGM the specific to gameplay. This one seems to fit well. That's it. There is ghost. Oh, I forgot. Oh no, I forgot to set it loop. Alright. Okay, I pause, man. I pause. Okay, I pause. Let me check the loop box real quick. There we go. Alright, now we're going to add the necessary script and functionality to the spaceship. First, let's add the collider to spaceship. We use a box collider. Okay, where's the box collider? Nah, this. Okay. Next, we will add the rigid body to the trigger some script. For the rigid body, we set the gravity to 0 and the angular drag to 0, so it doesn't rotate. We will to freeze the z-axis in the cross-sense so it doesn't rotate at all. Okay, once it's done, I drag a player controller script into the inspector to the spaceship. Let's hit the play and see it's work. No. Oh, nice. The spaceship is now controllable with the mouse, guys. And actually, the spaceship can also work in the touch control. Alright guys, next we're going to add something called a frame rate booster of FPS booster. Nah, we prevent the game for lagging. Let's create new empty game object and name it FPS booster. Nice. Now we add the script FPS controller to this FPS booster game object and the main menu scene. Alright. let's test the FPS has improved. Hang on. Okay. Wow, there's already a difference. It's still a bit choppy on my recording, which affect the FPS, but in the Unity is running smoothly. Alright, next we're going to open asset object. Well, add the bullet script beside the bullet with the pause icon. So, let's drag the bullet prefab over. Now, we have the bullet prefab and I've already set up the script as well. Then, well, I add a spawner to make the bullet spawn. To do that, we are gonna oh, I forgot to set the layer for the spaceship. Alright, let's fix the UI first and okay, next we are the set up the bullet spawner. We are create empty. After that we gonna rename it to peluru spawner, our bullet spawner. Alright, after that we're gonna to fix the UI. Nice, order and layer in one. Next we need to tag the bullets. No bullet text yet. Let's add text called bullet. Alright, now that is tagged, you tag a bullet. Alright, well, go to bullet spawner, which I position in the front of the spaceship nose, so it won't collide with the bullets. Alright, with everything set up, I've dragged the script, added the prefab. Let's wait for it to load. Alright, I drag the prefab. Alright, after that we can adjust the firing rate and we can play the box. Alright, I setting the firing rate is 0.1. Nice, it's a fast firing rate. If you want the super fast firing rate, this is a 0 firing rate. It's gonna be a machine gun, guys. Oh my god, look at that bullets. So alright, that's a bullet system done. Let's move to the next step. Alright, now let's add the meteor game object. Here, the meteor will just drag into the scene and position it off the side of main camera. Next, we are add the game control script to the canvas by dragging canvas in the script. Alright, with that done, we only need a spawner for the meteor. I'll place the spawner on top, then drag in the meteor prefab. I drag the meteor prefab to meteor prefab. Alright, after that I do the quick debug to see the result. Alright, let's do the quick debug to see the result. Why the bullet not showing up? Why the bullet not showing up? Oh, I see. The bullet is disappeared by colliding with the meteor. Now I put the meteor inside the bullets. Alright. Nice. The bullet is normal again. Now the game over is working. Alright. What, the bullet not showing up again? We gonna go this far. Metal position, adjust the metal position and adjust the bullet position and adjust the metal position into position correctly. Nice. Further we are debug again. Let's see. Nice. The bullets and the meteor looks normal again. Now the gameplay is smooth with the score taken properly and the game over function is for 2. Let's reply a double check and unlike no more bugs like before. The game is smoother thanks for the FPS fix as well. This completes the step for adding the meteor. Let's move on to the next step. Alright, next up is build setting. We'll start by setting up the player setting. Let's change the company name to something personal. It could be your name or fictional or company name or your studio name. For example, I go to with Zidane Dev Point Software. Once the company name is set, let's make sure the product name and the version are correct. Now let's update the icon. Alright, I choose the second icon here, which looks nicer. I will drag this icon to the default icon for the app for the game. Alright, nice. We have the scroll down to set the splash screen. Nice. For the splash screen background image, we can drag the image into the vertical or portrait splash screen. It's adapt nicely to both portrait and landscape mode. With the setting prepared, let's proceed the boot game. I'll set up the directory. Alright, I will boot this. I'll set up the directory and I find my folder. It's optional for your folder. I build the folder for easier to find. Nice. Spaceship, Windows, space. I want to add the new folder like this. I'm renamed to spaceship 1.0. Okay. Alright. What the? Oh, I forget to click the folder. Nice. Okay. We wait. Now let's wait for the builds complete. Alright guys, once the build is finished, let's give the game test run. The game is different because this game for the Android. The PC display can appear but a bit glitchy. You may see the background a single line across the line. While I could adjust to fit the landscape orientation, but the game won't be as responsive for mobile in the landscape mode. That's why this version is focused on the mobile version. To open the Android platforms, you need to download the Android module itself. In my case, I already have to download Android modules installed my Unity. But you can simply add the module to include the platform you want to work in. Before building the game for Android, we need to switch the platform and go to build setting, select the Android platform and then switch the platform to the Android. Now wait the process. This will take a moment as Unity imports all the necessary files. Nice. Okay, once it's done, we'll adjust the screen orientation like this. Orientation, auto rotation. Now we are go to portrait rotation. Alright, to set the mobile gameplay. Then scroll for the other setting. Scroll other setting, and then uncheck the auto graphics API. Okay, with the scripting complete, we're ready to build the game. Choose the directory where you want to save the file, and then I will take my folder, create new folder. For example, I will name it to spaceship 1.0, like this. Make sure to name the output file as a spaceship apk in the file name, like this. I want to rename, not the rename, to add name the file name like this, spaceship apk. Okay, we boot the apk. It will take a moment, and you need stable internet connection. Okay guys, I'm going to record this using my phone, and I dub my voice because the sound for my laptop mix is bad. Now let's try in the phone. Look, the display here with responsive and it's working well. Don't mind my reaction. That's my reaction when I first tried the game. It's a little wrong, but you can see that game is working fine. Even the score, the system is functioning properly. However, the display is bit cut off because I make misplace. It's likely, but you can fix it on your own. So the game easy to make, easy to follow, easy to play. Look, I'm using the phone. So that's my content today. Hope it's helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to check out my live video when I live at school, guys. Ding ding. Bye bye. Look at that. I'm playing the phone, guys. See you in the next time, guys.